Hello, it's Alex from the Archer and Olive Ambassador team. Today I'm going to be sharing some ideas that every parent should have in their bullet journal as a way to help organise family life, whether you have a newborn, toddlers or older children at school. Later in the video, I'm going to create a past tracker and a quote page to remember the funny things that your children might say over the years. Once your children are at school, there's a whole host of new information that you need to remember. School contact details, logins, passwords, uniform that's needed and uniform that you already own in case you wish to pass to siblings. I also plan school holiday activities, childcare and lists of what we need to do like homework. Christmas and birthdays, I need to be more organised with 3 children, keeping a list of ideas and what gifts have been purchased. And also keep a list of gifts given so that they can write thank you notes. A page of places to visit for days out. You may find a sleep and nap tracker useful to try and improve any routines. When you do find routines that work for you, why not write them down? They will really help us get out the door in the morning or be organised for the next school day. You may want to keep a record of any medical information or lists of activities that you enjoyed doing with the children each season. I'm going to share how I create a quote page for funny things my children say using these basic supplies. I'm using an A5 journal. First of all, I'm going to make sure I've left space for a title and then use a compass or a cup to draw a circle and lines that make it look like a sunshine. I go over the lines with a black fine liner and then using an acrylograph paint pen, this is a 3mm nib, I can shade in our sun. I love how these are so opaque and there's no ghosting at all in the Archer and Olive journals. Now we just need to add our title. I'm using the calligraph pen with the broader brush head for the main title. The smaller nib of the calligraph is perfect for any other details. And now we need to just add in our quotes. This is one of my favourites about my perfume when my son was 4. Eventually we'll have a page full of memories and it will look like a sunshine. Have you bought any annual passes for favourite days out with the children? Do you want to know how often you're using them and whether it's worth the money? This annual pass tracker will be quick and easy to set up, especially using the acrylic stamps by Archer and Olive and this 5-circle tracker which fits the 5mm grid perfectly. First I'm making sure I've left space for the title and then I'm dividing my page in half. In pencil I'm planning my layout and where I'm going to use my acrylic stamp. I'm then adding space for the cost of the pass and the expiry date. I'm using a calligraph to add a title. This is the broader end, and then I'm going to use the smaller nib to add some drop shadows, make the title stand out a bit more. I'm going to use the acrylic stamp to save some time. I find they're very quick, easy to use. You could of course draw your own circles or just do a tick. Every time we use the pass, we will shade in one of the circles and then we will know at the end of the year whether it's worth renewing. Have we got our money's worth? The acrylograph paint pens work so well with the acrylic ink stamps. And here's the final pass tracker with the locations and a shaded area per visit. Thank you for watching.